Sara is a young girl, about 10 years old. She walks next to her mother in a small local shop near their home. The shop is quiet. The light is soft. They buy simple things like bread, rice, and vegetables. Sara looks around and talks with a calm, happy voice. She says, "Mom, school was good today. I sang in music class." Her mother listens and smiles. She answers, "That is nice, Sara. You always enjoy singing." They pay and leave the shop together. When they arrive home, the door is not locked. Sara feels something strange, but she says nothing. They open the door and walk inside. In the living room, Sara sees her father. He is sitting on the sofa. Next to him, there is a woman. She is beautiful, well-dressed, and confident. She laughs loudly as if she belongs there. Sara stops walking. Her mother's face becomes pale. The father stands up and looks upset. He says, "Why are you here now?" The mother asks slowly, "Who is this woman?" The woman looks at them and smiles, but she does not speak. The father raises his voice and says, "This is my life now. You and the child should leave." Sara feels her heart beat fast. The mother tries to speak, but the father interrupts her. He points to the door and says, "Go. This house is not yours anymore." Sara starts to cry and holds her mother's coat. The mother does not shout. She does not argue. She only takes a deep breath and says, "Come on, Sara." That night, they leave the house with one old bag. The street is cold and quiet. Sara looks back one last time. She whispers, "Mom, did we do something wrong?" Her mother answers, "No, my love, we did not." They move into an old house, far from their old life. The walls are cracked. The rooms are small. The air feels heavy, but it is safe. The mother finds work quickly. In the morning, she cleans houses. In the evening, she works as a waitress in a small restaurant. She comes home very tired. Sara helps her every day. She cooks simple food. She studies alone. At night, she sings softly. Her singing fills the quiet rooms. After some months, the mother becomes weak. She feels tired all the time. She cannot work like before. One morning, she faints in the kitchen. They go to the hospital. The doctor speaks slowly and carefully. He says, "She is very sick. She needs strong treatment. It will be a long time." Sara does not understand everything, but she understands fear. The treatment begins. The mother feels sick and tired. One day, her hair starts to fall. She looks in the mirror and turns away. That night, Sara stands in front of the bathroom mirror. She looks at her long hair. She thinks for a long moment. Then she cuts it all. In the morning, she smiles and says, "Now you are not alone." The mother cries quietly. At school, children notice Sara. They stare. They whisper. Some children laugh. One girl says, "You look strange." Sara feels hurt, but she stays silent. After school, she does not go home. She goes to a small food place to work. She washes dishes. She cleans floors. When she is alone, she sings quietly. People stop and listen. Some give her coins. One day, some students follow her. They want to laugh again, but they see the truth. They see the old house. They see the sick mother. They hear Sara sing with care and love. They feel ashamed. The next day, they sit next to her. They say, "We did not know. We are sorry." In another part of the city, the father is alone. The new woman has taken his money. She is gone. He sits in silence. He remembers his daughter's voice. He feels regret, but it is too late. One evening, Sara sings on the street. Her voice is clear and honest. Suddenly, a woman falls to the ground. It is the same woman. Sara runs to her without fear. She calls an ambulance. She stays until help arrives. The woman survives. She learns about Sara's life. She feels ashamed. She says, "You are strong and kind." She helps Sara enter a music class. Sara practices every day. She works hard. She grows. Years later, Sara stands on a stage. Lights shine around her. She takes a deep breath and sings. Her voice is calm and true. In the audience, her mother smiles. End. Sara lost many things, but she never lost her voice.